Friends, good morning to all of you. We have already learned about the moods and the tenses of the verbs past, present, future, perfect. Today we shall see the voice. Voice of the verb are two kinds, active and passive. Active is when the subject is doing the action. He is the doer. And in passive, he is the receiver. Suppose if I say, I cut this cake. So I am the doer of this action. So this is active. And if it is into passive, the cake comes here. The cake is cut by me. So in every active voice, the person or the action is done by the doer. So he is the doer. The collector gave the tickets. So the collector gave the tickets. The action of giving is done by the subject. The subject gave the tickets. But in a passive voice, you say the tickets were given by the collector. So he's a receiver. So the tickets were given by the receiver. So the subject becomes the receiver becomes the subject here. And you use the preposition by. And then, of course, you have to use whatever tense of the word. Now, suppose I in a past tense, I'm saying, I sang a song yesterday. I sang. So it's a past tense. So that is the active. I'm doing the action of singing. I sang the song. Now, here in the passive voice, you'll say, the song was sung by me. So you see the interchange of the words. I sang the song was sung by me. So by has to be used, and the preposition by, and the pronoun. He, he, what will you say now? He built this house. He built this house. This house was built by him. So this is the active voice and the passive voice. In next part, I will show you how to make this active and passive.